We dream of living a long and healthy life. And before cell-based treatments become widely available, we can save our youngest cells as biological insurance for future use in regenerative therapies. Save your cells for future personalized therapies with Evera. It's easy. Just get a collection kit from Evera. Collect your sample and send the kit back to us. Your sample will be delivered to our biobank. We'll freeze and safely store your cells for your future needs. Make a tangible investment in your future health and well-being. Order a collection kit from Evera today and invest in you.